Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did this look right here, which I feel like it's perfect for summer. It's a pastel purple look. It's also really simple to do, so if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to prime my eyelids and I'm going to use the Urban Decay primer potion as usual. I'm almost running out of this. And I'm going to blend it with my fingers. For today's look I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Pastels palette in Lilac. It looks something like this. It's so pretty. I really love the color scheme. I'm going to start with this shade in the corner in my crease. And I'm going to take it on a Makeup Addiction controlled blender brush. And this is gonna go in my outer corner, and then whatever is left on my brush I'm going to blend in my crease. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. And extend the blend towards my temples. But I'm being very gentle with the pressure on the brush. With a slightly smaller blending brush, I'm going to take this darker purple matte shadow in the palette. Dust off the excess from my brush. And I'm going to apply this only in my outer corner, kind of in an angled shape, extending it towards my outer corner. Such a pretty shade, I really love it. And also on my outer corner of my lower lash line. And with my previous brush I'm going to blend. And I think I'm going to apply a little bit in my inner corner of my lower lash line. I want to apply this shade because it looks very interesting to me, but from what I can tell by the swatch, it's a little bit sheer in pigment, so it's kind of like a topper shade. So I'm going to need a base for it, and that's going to be this light purple in the corner, and I'm going to apply it with a Makeup Addiction medium shader brush. Just stamping the shade on my lid, so I have a little bit of a base for that shimmer. Oh, and also here, in the center of my lower lid. Then I'm picking up this shade. It looks really nice in the pan. And I'm just going to use my finger to stamp it on my lid. Yeah, it's very sheer in pigment, but it has a nice shift to it. It has like purple sparkles. But yeah, it's really pretty, although it's not that pigmented. And also in the center of my lower lid. On my waterline I'm going to apply this Nyx Faux Whites pencil, just to open up my eye a little bit more visually. To highlight my inner corner and my brow bone I'm going to use the Fenty Wattabrat highlighter. It's a little bit dark for my skin tone, but the sparkles are really pretty. Let me use just a little bit of that on my face as well. Oh, I'm debating whether or not I should use false lashes, but we'll see. First I'm going to curl my natural lashes and apply a little bit of mascara. The mascara that I'm going to use today is the Benefit the Real Magnet Mascara. I use this one so much, it's almost finished. I'm also going to apply it on my lower lashes. Okay, I decided to apply some outer corner false lashes off camera. These are just some lash bands that I cut in half. I'm going to finish off the look by doing my lips, and first I'm going to line them using the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Beige. As usual, I'm overlining in the center. And this is literally my lip color, this NYX pencil. I'm also filling them in a little bit because I'm just going to apply a little bit of gloss. Okay, now for the gloss part, I'm going to use my Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. my god. I really like this combo, it looks so natural. I think it's the first time I'm doing this. So natural. Yes, I like it. And that is everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'm going to head to work. I feel like I'm saying this in every video, but I usually film my videos before going to work. Like, all my videos are get ready with me for work. I really hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!